部分嘅，咁啊當然喺合照之前咧，我哋仲有少少嘅呢一個 token of appreciation representing by Gurney Plaza， 咁啊希望大家等陣我哋無論拍 video 或者係影相嘅時候，俾我哋睇下檳城人片得到你們最大的熱情。多謝大家，再次歡迎晒《私家偵探》呢部電影3位主要演員周秀娜娜姐啦、古天樂古老闆啦，係用啟用。呢個時候我哋有請。接落嚟我哋有 Gurney Plaza 嘅 management 會上台咧，同我哋3位演員先影相，仲有我哋嘅 general manager 咧會喺古生手上咧咁取得我哋今次嘅movie gimmick and also our token of appreciation. Let us welcome Gurney Plaza management team and leading by the general manager of Gurney Plaza, Mr. Peter Chen, to be on stage. Please. 今次OK， 如果大家係影任何照片、任何影片啊，鋪上網唔該 #私家偵探，多謝晒，係。